SPRO, SAP, Financial Accounting New, Asset Accounting, Organizational Structure, Asset Class, Create Screen Layout.
Yeah. What is
Here
that
select.
actually? What is the meaning?
So we are creating like whatever we need, like buildings for tangible
Any
assets and
kind of
intangible
assets.
assets. We are creating here.
So now basically we are splitting the asset things or
Whatever we are creating under this, like simple what you said.
it is a splitting of assets.
Uh,
We are segregating the assets, right?
yes, sir. Here defaultly we are using this building special
Okay, okay.
machinery, furniture and fixtures, asset under construction. Here
Master
click
record
on
is nothing but the whole financial records that GL would have that.
all will come under.
Okay, okay. So all
Click on
the mini transactions all together called master record, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Here we are changing the BA11 screen layout. BA14, enter and save. Now it is saved. Now define asset class slash and OA, enter. Now 1 second. Okay, now click on next and new entries. BA1 buildings, text buildings. BA11, this one also BA11. Number range 01. Check include asset. Manage historically, enter and save. Now click on next entry. BA2 special machinery BA12 number range 02. Check include asset. Manage historically, enter and save. Next one, click on next entry. Asset class BA3 furniture and fixture. Here F and F shortcut. BA13 screen layout BA13 number range 03. Check include asset. Manage historically, enter and save. Click on next entry. BA4 asset under construction. BA14 04. Check, enter and save. Next, chart of depreciation. Set chart of depreciation. Slash and SPRO. SAP reference. Financial accounting new. Asset accounting. depreciation. Here valuation methods, depreciation key, calculation methods, click on define multi-level methods. Okay. Click on new entries, maintain multi-level BA1 buildings. Here valuation start from capitalization date, enter, save. Here double click on levels. Here click on new entries. Acquisition year 1999, year 99, 12%. Base level I'm giving 24%, 10, enter and save. Now back. Here click on next entry, BA1, BA2, here special machinery from capitalization date, enter and save. Double click on levels, click on new entries, 99, 12, level 24, 11, enter and save. Back, click on next entry, BA3, furniture and fixture, enter and save.
Okay, already we created in this in asset class, same as we need to create from here.
Which one, sir?
The furniture and fixtures.
Yes, sir. We are giving here years and percentage levels we are giving here.
So this also once time we created, no need to go other.
No
Other
need to go.
okay, okay.
Continue, sir.
Yes, yes.
ఓకే
New topic.
దీంట్లోనే ఇంకొక పాయింట్ ఉంది సార్ డిప్రిసియేషన్కి. ఓకే బ్యాక్ సేమ్ హియర్ పాత్. హియర్ మెయింటైన్ డిప్రిసియేషన్కి click on new entry, here depreciation key BA1 buildings, enter. Here check depreciation to the day, save. Double click on, sir.
Based on this, we are giving data that based on this, it will be calculating on depreciation.
Yes, sir. Double click on assignment of calculation methods. Click on new entries. Depreciation type ordinary depreciation. Phase from the start date of depreciation. Base method. Double 0014 ordinary 03. This is like date. Multi-level BA1 class declining balance depreciation. Change, no automatic changeover. Enter and save. Back, again back. Here click on activate depreciation key. Now save. Here we can see the status as active. Click on next entry. BA2 special machinery. Check depreciation to the day. Enter, save. Double click on assignment calculation methods. Click on new entries.
It is showing inactive.
Sir, we have to activate. After giving the details, we have to activate it.
Okay. It will not automatically activate. Okay.
Not automatically. Phase from the start of depreciation. 0014. Again, same, sir. We have to create. Save. Back. Again, back. Here we have to activate.
Okay.
Now save. Now come back. Here we can see active.
Here itself we wind up.
Sir. Okay.
ఈ డేటా మొత్తం పంపింది అదా ఆ డాక్యుమెంట్ మొత్తం పంపింది
సార్ సెండ్ చేస్తాను.
పీడిఎఫ్ కన్వర్ట్ చేసి పంపింది
ఓకే. మొత్తం అయిపోయింది. నేను సెండ్ చేస్తాను సార్ డాక్యుమెంట్ ఓవర్.
సరే పీడిఎఫ్ పంపించి కొంచెం ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది దానివల్ల.
ఓకే సార్, ఫైన్.
సండే మొత్తం నేను చెప్తాను. నేను లేదంటే కూడా ఆయన పెట్టుకొని చూడండి సండే కూడా.
అంటే పోర్షన్స్ అయిపోతాయి కదా, టాపిక్స్.
ప్రాక్టీస్ మళ్ళీ
మండేకి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేదా అని.
సరే
ఓకే, అందుకనేసి.
కట్ చేస్తా.
ఓకే సార్, డన్.